Hey there. Imagine a life where your daily chores practically take care of themselves. Sounds amazing, right? With automated systems and AI, that dream can actually become your reality. In our busy lives, simplifying daily tasks is crucial. Whether it's about saving time or reducing stress, technology can truly transform your routine. Who wouldn't want to spend less time on chores and more time enjoying what they love? 1. Think about smart speakers and lights. You can control everything with just your voice. Want to turn off the lights? Just say the word. These devices save you both time and energy. 2. Robot vacuums are a total game changer. Set them to clean while you're out, and come home to a spotless floor. It's like having a little helper without the hassle. 3. Have you heard of smart cookers? These gadgets let you prepare meals with just a few taps on your phone. Schedule dinner to start cooking while you're at work, so you can enjoy a hot meal without any fuss. 4. Apps like Instacart use AI to enhance your shopping experience. Create a shopping list, and they'll suggest items based on your preferences. No more wandering aimlessly in the grocery store. 5. Tools like Todoist or Trello help you organize your to-do lists and remind you of tasks, so you can stay on track without the burden of remembering everything. Start with one smart home device, like a smart speaker. It's an easy first step. If you can, invest in a robot vacuum. It will completely change your cleaning routine. Try a meal prep app that connects with your favorite recipes. Explore grocery shopping apps that can save you time each week. Use a simple app to organize your tasks and keep your day stress-free. Don't overcomplicate things. You don't need every gadget out there. Start simple and see what works best for you. Also, remember to secure your devices to protect your privacy. So, there you have it. Embracing automated systems can lead to a much easier life. Start small, and you'll quickly notice the difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on simplifying your life. Are you fed up with spending hours on daily chores? What if I told you that AI and automation can handle the hard work for you? In our fast-paced lives, saving time and reducing stress is essential. Automating everyday tasks gives you the freedom to focus on what truly matters, like spending quality time with loved ones or diving into your favorite hobbies. 1. Imagine asking your smart speaker to turn off the lights or set reminders. Devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Home act like your personal assistant, effortlessly managing these tasks. 2. Say goodbye to sweeping and mopping. Robot vacuums, such as Roomba, can clean your floors while you relax. Just set a schedule and let it do the work for you. 3. Apps like Mailime simplify meal planning and create shopping lists, allowing you to spend less time worrying about dinner and more time enjoying your meals. 4. Some washing machines can be controlled via an app, enabling you to start or stop cycles right from your phone even when you're away. How convenient is that? 5. If you have a garden, smart irrigation systems can water your plants based on the weather, eliminating the worry of over or underwatering. Just set it and forget it. Start by trying out one smart home device, like a smart speaker. Download a meal planning app and organize your meals for the week. Consider investing in a robot vacuum to lighten your cleaning load. Check if your washing machine has smart features. If not, it might be time to upgrade. While automation can save you time, remember not to rely on it completely. Keep an eye on your devices to ensure they're functioning properly, and don't forget to perform regular maintenance. So, why not give these automated systems a shot? You might be amazed at how much easier your daily routine can become. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on simplifying your life. Tired of spending your weekends buried in chores? What if I told you that AI and automation could truly lighten your load? Let's explore how these innovative tools can simplify your daily tasks. In our busy lives, we all crave more time for the things we love. Chores can often feel overwhelming, but with the right technology, you can reclaim your free time. Embracing automation not only makes your life easier but also more efficient, giving you back those precious moments. 1. Imagine walking into a room and having the lights turn on automatically or your coffee brewing just the way you like it. Smart home devices can be programmed to handle these tasks, making your mornings much smoother. 2. Say goodbye to dragging out the vacuum cleaner. Robot vacuums can clean your floors while you're at work or relaxing at home. Just set a schedule, and they'll take care of the dirty work for you. 3. Apps like AnyList or Todoist can automatically track your groceries. They learn from your shopping habits and even assist with meal planning, saving you time and reducing food waste. 4. Devices like Alexa or Google Home can manage your calendar, set reminders for chores, and answer questions while you cook. Just ask, and they'll help you stay organized. 5. Some modern washing machines allow you to schedule cycles remotely. You can start a load from your phone while you're out, so it's ready to dry when you get home. Choose one chore to